Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing another tutorial, and guess what I'm going to make? We're going to make a Nyan cat! Yay! So, and this Nyan cat is like a cat, but he's also a Pop-Tart. So, yeah, let's get started. So, things you'll be needing is a brush, air dry clay, and paint. Okay. So first you're just going to make your Pop-Tart, and I already made a previous video of how to make it, which I made this one right here. So I'm going to be using this one for his body. So first you want to make a Pop-Tart with Pop-Tart, okay? And they don't have to be dry yet. Next you'll grab some more clay. This is going to be the legs, tail, the rainbow tail, I guess, and the head and the ears. Okay. Okay. So first we're going to make an egg. The head. Let me roll this with my marker. Okay, there you go, I got it. Now I'm gonna cut it with my butter knife. So you want to do it like a curve shape like that. This one kind of looks ugly, but I'll fix it. There. So you want to do like a whole, just make a circle. There you go. As you can see. Next you just want the ears, which is little triangles, of course. Okay, and get another triangle. Okay, so I got the ears. And that's it for the head because we're going to be painting it, of course. Okay, next you're just going to do the little legs. So you'll be doing the rainbow. I'm going to be doing the legs right now. So I did the little legs. Now you're just going to grab the rest of your clay, roll it into a ball, and then like flatten it with your rolling pin. I'm using just a marker or a Sharpie. Okay, make sure it's pretty long. Okay, this is how long the rainbow's gonna be. Next, you just want to do the shape. So it's just a really long rectangle. Okay, so here's my rainbow. Now you put the rainbow like that. Okay, so here is your Nyan cat, and I didn't make one before this, so I haven't painted it yet, but I'll make another video of me painting it. So yeah, hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!